Hello, welcome back to the best crypto channel around the world. My name is Ish. As usual, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get into the crypto market. I want to talk about today how to scrap Shiba Inu. I've been paying attention to the trend how Shiba Inu has been going up and down. Shiba Inu goes up and down, so you can scrap it. So in this video, I want to explain to you, if you want to make, quick money scrapping Shiba Inu here and there, and then you can accumulate, build up your portfolio, and, increase on your money. So before I get into the details, guys, we want to monetize this channel because this channel is becoming so helpful that everybody is, watching this information, watching and sharing and liking. So when you like the video, when you like the channel, when you share the channel, when you put on the notification button, that is very important. That will encourage me from making more videos to encourage you, motivate you, and get into the crypto market as well as make money. So how can you scrap Shiba Inu? So you see, you don't want to sell when you're still in losses. Say for example, you have a capital of $10,000, and that capital you just want to invest in crypto, right? And the only crypto you want to do is Shiba Inu, and you want to scrap it in a very careful way. That way you don't lose money, because sometimes when you rush to make money, you lose money. So say you have $10,000 and you do have an account on Robinhood. Everybody knows about Robinhood. I put a link for Robinhood. If you want to sign up, you'll get 2 free stocks. I'll put it on a link in the description of this video. So you sign up with Robinhood. Robinhood has Shiba Inu. They do have Shiba Inu as a crypto that you can tend or you can trade on their platform, right? Say for example, you open up a Robinhood account and you have $10,000 to trade crypto, right? So you'll find crypto, say Shiba Inu right now has been averaging between 0.0040 in front, 4 to 0.40 in front, 30, right? So you buy at 0.000025. You put in 10,000, you buy Shiba Inu for 10,000 at 0.00025 per token. And then you wait a few minutes later. You can see on the chart, because it keeps on going up and down. You see when it goes down, that's when you should buy. When it goes up, then you sell. Say if you bought at 0.00025 and then it goes up to 0.00030, you've made 0.005. And with 10,000, that is almost $700. $700. So you keep on doing that every day, you make money. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say. So that's the trick behind it. But sometimes, here's the thing you have to pay attention to. Sometimes that thing will go down. You might buy at 0.00025 and then it goes down more, right? If it goes down, don't sell. So it's just like a gambling thing. Don't sell. You wait. That's how you wait. Because if you sell, you're gonna make a loss. You're gonna make a loss. So if you keep on holding on it, and it doesn't usually take long, within a day it will rise. Those 0.0005 cents always goes up every day. It does go up and down, up and down, up and down. So if you're tricking the system, you're gonna have that $700, every day with a 10,000 investment. You see what I mean? So anyway, guys, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you gotta focus on the crypto that has a lot of trading, like in millions, not like a few millions. So the first 10 cryptos that do trade every day, That's Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you don't want to do it because it's very expensive. Dogecoin is also becoming expensive because it's averaging 16 cents. 16 cents, you don't want to put in 10,000 $10,000 US dollars buying Dogecoin at 17 cents. You might end up not making that much. But with Shiba Inu, if you put in that 10,000 US dollars and you're buying Shiba Inu at the current price and it increases and you're making 0.005 every token, you're gonna make a lot of money every day. So I hope you like the video. Don't be mean. Share the video. Do not fail to tell your friends, because everybody wants to make money. They have bills to pay. So if you don't tell them, they're not gonna pay their bills. You know? Anyway, let me concentrate on the road. I hope you like the video. Share it and bye-bye.